such a bad habit. Who's going to such a bad habit?
Well, sometimes he never leaves me and I'm in the middle of nowhere. I won't be able to find my way back.
No, she gave me the address to get back here. I left here and I didn't realize, well, how am I going to get back? Honestly. Oh. No.
This lady when we were filling out stuff and she had to go get her car tires.
Yeah, just by the grill. Right, that's what's happening. The wording was good.
Just about. It's just.
Is the elimination for omission of